Well, besides saving time and energy, this amazing setup can handle all kinds of dough just like any human hand. After dough balls are prepared, now comes these specially crafted stamps, ensuring consistency and same pattern in every batch. Work looks pretty simple, yet efficient, so no more wonky shapes or uneven crusts. This marvel of modern machinery takes freshly picked apples and gives them a spa treatment like no other. First, it gently washes away any dirt or debris and leaves them to dry with a hygienic process, so the apples won't go bad. After that, all these apples will be carefully taken to the smooth but active bristles for gentle cleaning of the apples to be easily packed in cartons. These machines are so smart to expertly release and shake the dough into uniform circles, ensuring each one is as round as the sun. Here's an ice cream extruder smoothly releasing precise slices of an ice cream, creating uniform bars that are as smooth as a summer breeze. As soon as they came from their chilling journey, the robotic arms carefully picked them to display on another running belt for beautiful glazing. This layer of sweetness will definitely make your mouth water. And finally, it expertly packs them into individual wrappers, ready to be enjoyed by ice cream lovers. This magical machine takes your favorite cereal grains and coats them in a mouth-watering layer of melted chocolate. As the material is beautifully mixed together and passed through rollers to get the sheet into equal depth and shape, where they gently press the mixture into a perfect sheet, ready to be sliced into delectable bars. It's an amazing wonder of technology, how beautifully they can make work easier and fun. The side cutting plates make sure that the sheet is equally layered and any extra grains will be cut out. Enjoy watching these beautiful machines precisely cutting the long bars into smaller chunks, so whenever you're gonna grab them, they will be exactly of that crowing shape. This genius machine seamlessly mixes premium chocolate edible dough to expertly slice it into perfectly portioned bars. With just a little punch, they can extract out dozens of sponges within a minute. Talk about satisfying. We've got you the most crowing marshmallow extruder, which everyone talks about. It's important to cover the marshmallows with powdered sugar so they won't stick together. It cuts those marshmallows into perfect pieces for munching or adding to treats. Filling the jars with golden goodness of honey was never this mess-free and satisfying. It's an automated process to minimize spillage and make every step so easy, streamlining production for honey producers. A game changer in the line of coating cutlets. This innovative setup coats cutlets with liquid cornflour layer and then breadcrumbs, ensuring even coverage for a perfect crunch every time. A pretty simple and quick device efficiently slicing logs into precise dimensions, ready for further use in construction or manufacturing. Effortlessly dispensing fillings like wet salads and spreads onto bread slices with a controlled amount to give equal portions. Perfect to slice through meat with ease, delivering uniform cuts for packaging or further processing. With sharp blades and advanced safety features, it ensures efficiency while prioritizing worker safety. That's pretty quick. Let's catch the sight. This slow-mo will allow you to watch it smoothly slicing through any shape of meat. This ingenious machine flawlessly dispenses fillings, salads, and gravies into containers with precision, ensuring each dish is perfectly dressed. With customizable settings, it accommodates various portion sizes and consistency preferences. Either robotic arms or by hand, they can easily customize the machine and its working performance right according to any preference. From extruders to cup fillers, they are just awesome. Shaping mashed meat with these machines saves time and labor while maintaining consistent quality. First, those rotatable molding rollers are gonna give an easy hand to mold the minced meat into equal shapes, so they won't get tired while doing it manually. If you haven't seen this satisfying process of chicken slicing automation, then you have seen nothing yet. From accurate cuts to removing those unnecessary threads, these machines can do all without any human help. After tail cutting, now comes the leg processor that beautifully holds every leg with those sturdy clippers and separates the drum thighs from the rest of the meat. This sorting after the cutting is a must process. This extruder takes ground meat and releases it into various containers with precision. A beautiful dynamic machine shaping candies into delightful forms so that your little ones never ran out of such pretty, cute, and colorful candies. It helps to create multiple sheets of candies without waiting for each one to get mold by any professional hands. Well, that's new. From sausages to burger patties, it crafts uniform shapes effortlessly. Now workers can produce a pretty sum. An automated process of peeling fruits definitely saves time and labor. This comprehensive system includes machines for washing, cleaning, and packing pomegranates. Here comes the noodles extruder, which takes dough and extrudes it into long strands of noodles with pretty quick speed. Some machines like these are a true blessing. As they slice through blocks of cheese with a great care, it ensures uniformity in each cut. Its sharp blades and advanced technology guarantee efficient working while maintaining production harmony. Honestly, that's a perfect sight to watch if you crave satisfying videos like these. And if you do, well, we're here to create more stuff like that. You just have to tell us through clicking on that like button. Click now and watch us in action. Gonna take the freshly fried donuts and shower them with colorful sprinkles. That's its job. Watch the best case scenario. This cutting-edge system combines advanced machinery and precise techniques to add finishing touches and tint to the glass. From firing heat to powerful tinting, they really are in safe hands. Flash-off process is a must to make sure the paint won't come off,